I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining frame rate and resolution because they determine perceived smoothness. Choose 24 for cinematic or 30 for cleaner web playback. Next, structure your project. Group layers, name comps, and convert reusable elements into pre-comps so you can animate non-destructively. Once done, set keyframes to auto-orient if needed and lock reference layers. Make sure to enable motion blur early and mark important assets for caching to avoid hiccups while animating. You now refine movement by replacing linear keyframes with ease in and ease out. Adjust the influence handles so acceleration feels natural. Then inspect spatial paths. Smooth tangents, eliminate spikes, and shorten Bezier handles where movement should slow. Once paths are clean, stagger timing with slight overlaps, and use motion blur to mask micro jitter. Make sure to preview at full motion settings and increase sampling or subframe interpolation if the playback looks choppy, because those settings directly affect You finish by adding tiny secondary motion, follow-through, overlaps, and small rotations to sell realism. Adjust timing with nudges of a few frames instead of large moves. Once satisfied, render using a codec that preserves frame rate and motion fidelity, and test on the final device to confirm smooth playback. If playback stutters, clear your cache first, then verify project versus export frame rates and increase motion blur shutter or sampling. That troubleshooting order fixes most issues quickly and predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.